Thanks for visiting my WSO. I'd like to take a brief moment to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about why I created the plugin you're about to see in a couple minutes. My name is Thomas Whittick, and I've been a full-time internet marketer for about the past year. My last real job was at Apple in Cupertino, California, where I was a senior front-end web engineer. Kind of a mouthful there. At Apple, I built web pages for new products when they were first launched, so I guess you could say I have a passion for marketing products online. I have a confession to make though. I only worked at Apple for 1 year. It was 2011 and it was the last year Steve Jobs was there. It was an amazing experience, one that I gained a lot from, but one thing resonated with me the whole time, and that was this quote from Steve. Everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you, and you can change it. You can influence it. You can build your own things that other people can use. Once you learn that, you'll never be the same again. That's why I created Clickjacker. What Clickjacker does isn't revolutionary. It's not going to change the world. But it may change your world. Shortly after I created this plugin, I went from making $3,000 a month online, which you can see in this screenshot, to over $30,000 per month. Here's another screenshot where you can see that I made $72,919 in just 2 months. So to put that in perspective, most people say they can finally live free and not have to work anymore once they start making $10,000 a month online. Imagine how much your life would change if you made over $500 before you even ate breakfast or had your morning coffee. Today I'm releasing Clickjacker to the public for a limited time, and I believe this tool is going to change the way you market affiliate products online. You no longer have to accept giving away customers to affiliate companies and losing leads after you finally convince them to click your affiliate link. Now you can build your own list of highly targeted buyers on the verge of making a purchase. In fact, these people are usually serial buyers that buy multiple products in any given niche. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. You see, Clickjacker allows you to hijack the best of other people's efforts. Press releases, articles, videos, landing pages, sales pages. They're all meant to take buyers from point A to point B. But with Clickjacker, we hijack them before they even get to point B. Let me show you what I mean. Hey guys, it's Thomas, paid all day from the Warrior Forum, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video to introduce you to a plugin that I've developed. It's called Clickjacker, and I have it open over here. And what this plugin does is it allows us to create pop-ups on top of any web page. So it doesn't even have to be a web page you own, and I'll show you more about what I mean here in a second. But for right now, we're logged into just a regular WordPress site, and we're in the dashboard. And all I've done is just installed the Clickjacker plugin and set up 3 demo campaigns. These campaigns will show you each type of pop-up that Clickjacker creates, so it'll give you a good idea of how this is working. And then also here on the left we have the option to add new campaigns. I'll show you what that looks like. It's just 3 simple steps. There's help for each step, so you just hover over the help and it will tell you what you need to put in those fields. And this is where you set the 3 different types of pop-ups, either an image, you can enter a link, or create your own, which just uses the standard WordPress editor, and that will make more sense when you see the actual pop-ups. And then finally you set the dimensions and when you want that pop-up to load. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. First one I want to show you is for Pure Green Coffee, and that's because this one is just an image ad. It'll make the most sense. It's the most basic one, and then we'll go into the others. So what you would do is you would create this campaign and you would set up a new link that you would be able to share with people, and that's what you see in these boxes here are the links that I've set up for each one of these campaigns. Okay, so you would just copy that, you can paste it into your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, you can share it in your emails, you can use it for your ads, as your destination link, wherever you want to share this. Alright, so for this first one, Pure Green Coffee, let me go ahead and show you what it is. We click preview, and it's actually loading an article from the Los Angeles Times that's about green coffee and what the benefits to it are and how it will help you lose weight. So we would share this link with people, and what would happen is after they visit it, about 10 seconds after they start reading it, our pop-up's going to show up. Alright, and this pop-up I set up using the plugin, just uploaded an image and linked it to where I wanted it to go, and is ready to go. So when you click this ad, what happens is it'll take you through to my affiliate link, and if somebody signs up for this and they sign up for the free trial, I'm going to get somewhere between $30 to $40 for each person that signs up. And obviously we're sending targeted traffic. These are people that are already interested in either losing weight or in green coffee. They're reading the article about it, and now we're giving them a chance to try it for free. So that converts really well. It's a great way to make money off of the links that you're already viewing or already sharing. So that's the first one. Let me show you another example. This one we're using kind of in the opposite way. What I'm doing this time is I'm loading my affiliate offer in the background, and then on top of it I'm loading a form, right? And this is just a standard form that I set up using Aweber, which is my autoresponder. That's what I use to send emails to my list. And what it says is free registration is only available to Plenty of Fish visitors. Enter your email to check eligibility. So it's telling people, if you want to complete this offer and you want a chance to sign up for free, we need to check to make sure that you have an account on Plenty of Fish, right? Or that you're a Plenty of Fish visitor. So obviously I'd be sharing this link on Plenty of Fish before I send them here. And when they enter their email, what's going to happen is it will add them to my list. And now I can send them this offer again to make sure they sign up. I can send them related offers like additional dating sites, or I can even send them ebooks that are related to this niche, like how to get your ex back, or how to pick up women, whatever you want to send them a book on, right? Or whatever you want to promote to them. So what would happen after they fill that out and they click apply, it would add that email to my list, and then they would be able to see the offer and go ahead and complete it. Now if you think about that, what we're doing is, before in the past when we shared these affiliate links, we just hope they sign up. If they do, great, we get paid. If they don't, they're gone forever. Well, now we get those people on our list, and we can start sending them those offers we talked about earlier. Alright, so last one I want to show you is for the iPad, and what this one does is it's actually loading the landing page from my affiliate network on top of this article. So this article is about the iPad and how they've given it to kids in Los Angeles schools, and now it's saying you have a chance to win your own iPad, and it has this quiz offer, so they start completing the steps, and I would get paid if they fill that out, right? So now rather than having them click on an ad or complete a form so that we mail them an offer later, we're just putting the offer right on top of this. It's the most direct way to do it. Alright, so that gives you an idea of what the plugin does and how you can use this to make money. I just want to show you one more thing, and that is that you can actually set a delay on each one of these. So I'm going to edit this green coffee link. At the bottom we've set a delay of 10 seconds as I mentioned earlier, okay? We can set that to load on page load all the way up to 60-second delay. And what will happen is, if we preview this, and let's say someone starts reading this and they don't wait the 10 seconds, right? So they close this link. Now it's going to come up and it's going to say, wait, before you go, please take a look at this special offer. When they click stay on this page, our pop-up shows up. So it displays an exit pop to make sure that they can't leave without seeing our offer. Alright? And the reason I bring that up is because if some of you are familiar, that can really help your conversions to have that exit. It can increase conversions up to 30%, they say, for people that would typically leave and they'd be gone. So the only problem with it, or the downside, is that some of the paid traffic networks like Google Ads, Google AdWords or Bing Ads, they don't allow exit pops, right? So if they click that link, and we're using this link for promoting something, and the reviewer clicks it, they're going to deny our campaign. So what I've done, because I use paid traffic myself, is I've set up this option for enable stealth mode, right? And when this is set, we'll go ahead and save this. What it will do, it tells us our campaign saved, review all campaigns, and it will turn the preview link to red so that stealth mode is enabled. Alright, and what it's doing is, now when people view this link, it's not going to show that pop-up. And also, it's not going to show the exit pop-up. Alright, so if they close this, it's just going to close. And they'll never see the exit pop-up. And the reason we're doing that, to hide it from the reviewer so they approve our link. And what will happen is, when people actually click the link on an ad, So, after it's approved and someone searches for something and then they click on our ad, it will show them the pop-up. All right, when stealth mode's enabled, the reviewers won't see it, but the actual visitors will. And I'll explain more about the mechanics on how that's working and actually how to use it on the other side. But I just want to let you know that that is available. So for those of you that are concerned about the exit pop-up or the pop-up with paid traffic, you don't have to worry about that. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up. Gives you an idea how the plugin's used and how everything is set up. I wanted to thank you for checking out my video and also for checking out my WSO today. If you want to purchase, just go ahead and click the buy button below and you'll get immediate access to ClickJacker. So thanks again for your time and have a good day.